Shalom, everyone. Almost a month ago, after Havdalah, the service for differentiating between Shabbat and the rest of the week that we do on Saturday evening, I took my kids outside and I said that we're going to do Kiddushat Levana, the sanctification of the moon. What is that? But in fact, it is actually a ritual which is in our own, Sidur. Sidur Lev Shalem, with a whole heart. And it's a beautiful ceremony, and kids love it because you have to go outside and you have to find the moon, and it has to be after Rosh Chodesh, which is, yes, right now, Thursday and Friday. It's Kislev, and that means Hanukkah is coming, the month of Kislev. So it's also a good time to go out and do Kiddusha Levana. You know, it's interesting. One of my former congregants, Zichronah Livracha, wrote many beautiful liturgical poems, some of which show up in our Sidur. This one's about the new moon, and it's in the service. If God were the sun, then Israel might be the moon, her face reflecting God's eternal light. Yet, yes, Israel is like the moon who waxes and wanes, grows old, and then renews herself, yet never leaves the skies. Beautiful idea about the moon and about doing Kiddusha Levana, which is nothing more than going outside and seeing the sun as it first appears during the month, and saying a few beautiful prayers. Now, some of those prayers people have never noticed before, like Baruch Yotzrech, Baruch Osech, Baruch Konech, Baruch Borech. Interestingly, hidden in there, the beginning of each word after Baruch, is the name Yaakov, Jacob, who we meet for the first time in this week's Parsha. Jacob, who also gets renamed Israel. So we are Israel. And about Jacob, it said that Jacob is likened to the moon which shines so bright, but is receiving its light from something much greater. And as Ruth Bryn says, that greater light, sort of the analogy would be to the sun, but is the source of light, which is God, that we reflect always as we are Jacob in being Israel. And so I wish everyone a Shabbat Shalom, a Chodesh Tov, and run on out, Saturday night and see the moon and just appreciate it. And I hope to see everyone very soon. Shabbat Shalom and Chodesh Tov.